Today's growing demand for protein-rich meals enables operators to explore a variety of creative recipe applications across their menus, from appetizers, entrees, and salads. Operators want to add a protein-forward dimension to their flavorful and portable culinary creations, allowing patrons to continue to enjoy their familiar and favorite dishes while fulfilling the demand for more protein. Heated from frozen, the Tyson Chicken Chips can be deep-fried or baked in an oven until the breading reaches a crispy golden brown. Uniquely designed to resemble a chip, the Tyson Chicken Chips come in two familiar flavors, ranch and smoky barbecue. Discover some of the limitless ways to tempt patrons with these 4 unique recipes. Crispy Tyson barbecue chicken chips loaded with cheese, tomato, cilantro, red onion, and black olives. Warm in the oven to melt cheese. Then cover with avocado and drizzle with sour cream. Buffalo-inspired shareable appetizer. Crispy Tyson ranch chicken chips drizzled with ranch and buffalo sauce with celery and carrot slices. Southwest-inspired entree bowl. A bed of rice topped with roasted peppers, black beans, and corn with chunky guacamole and lime wedges. Topped with crispy Tyson barbecue chicken chips and garnished with cilantro. Caesar salad. A bed of romaine lettuce topped with crispy Tyson ranch chicken chips, lemon juice, black pepper, and topped with Parmesan cheese and Caesar dressing. The irresistible and fun new format of Tyson Chicken Chips is an easy-to-dip, scoopable, shareable, and loadable protein that inspires creative dishes across your entire menu. The versatility of the Tyson Chicken Chips creates menu excitement and flexibility that patrons crave and operators love.